know you a bad bitch. Classy nails, French tip. These bitches can't sit with you. White toes for the hoe. Chanel bag on.
I don't know if I'm recording or not at this point, but I look good. But yeah, today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to do your brows. I don't know what I'm going to call this yet, but you guys need to have your pencils, papers, and be ready to learn. So let's get into this video. First thing you want to do is you want to grab your spoolie brush and you want to brush all your brow hairs up, going straight up. I do wish my eyebrows was done for this video, but they're not, so we're gonna work with what we got. Would have made it so much easier to just do it quickly, because it looks kind of weird when you have these extra hairs there, but you can always finesse it. That's what it's about, finesse. I come here and go straight over using this hand, and I start my line here. Very light, very, very light hand. You just feeling me a little lighter? And making a little wing, bringing it out. And it do look harsh right now, but just trust the process. With this one, and I do need a little arch. I like mine to be like dramatic brows, so I'm gonna give myself a little arch here. This is how you get them to not be so harsh in the front, y'all. Your eyebrows should not be looking like a box. Just a little goes a long way. Stop wasting y'all products. A little bit of that on the concealer brush. And it just automatically, now you see the difference, but concealer is going to clean everything up for you, so don't panic. One part, you add your next concealer, the lighter tone.
Everything you do is amazing. This morning I'ma stick beside you, forever riding. So I guess I got you riding about me now. Now we belong together. It don't get no
Ooh wee. So these are the basic brows. I feel like they came out pretty good. I did these in like 10 minutes, y'all. So these are super cute. Honestly, it comes with repetition and practice. Where's my glasses? I love just a plain face when my brows done. And with the Pixie, it just eats. And y'all, I will sleep on TikTok shop, but these glasses eat zap. They eat down. Follow my socials, read the description. Like, do y'all see my skin though? I'm obsessed with myself. I might just get this as a painting. That needs to be a